How to hide your last scene on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp on your phone. Here, tap the three dots on the top right corner and go to the settings. Now, tap onto the privacy option. In privacy, tap last seen and online. Under who can see my last scene, choose whichever you prefer, such as in everyone, all the WhatsApp users can see it. In my contact, only your saved contacts will be able to see your message. In my contact accept, you can hide it from selected people. In nobody, you can completely hide your last scenes. For who can see when I am online, you can choose everyone or same as last scene. If you hide your last scene, you won't be able to see others' last scene either. And that's it. You have successfully hidden your last scene on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.